Hello everybody, Jose Rodriguez here. It is Sunday the 23rd of April, and though I have been uploading regularly the last few days, thank goodness, because I had videos already prepared, but I was sick as a dog for the last day and a half in bed, spending half my time in bed and half my time in the restroom, if you get what I mean. Yes, something I must have eaten just did not agree with me. I feel 5 pounds lighter, and I got rid of, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So, not a fun subject, but, one that we have to deal with occasionally. At any rate, we are here to talk about the situation in Europe and other countries with the Pro 1 and third-party inks for it. Currently, Precision Colors can ship to the UK and Ireland, so that's taken care of. But for other people in Europe, and I'm going to stick to Europe at this point because that's probably going to be the easiest option. The only way you can obtain a semi-complete ink set is to contact a company that has or provides a third-party ink set for the Pro 10. Because of this, they are basically the same thing, the same colors, and they are all color matched. Chroma optimizer is the same: yellow, red, PM, photo magenta, magenta, photo cyan, cyan, photo black, and matte black are the same. Let me move these back. We'll make room for the ones that are not the same. That just leaves out the three grays. And what I have here is a dark gray cart. And this is the little bit that I have for dark gray. I have not harvested any from my many other so-called empty tanks. They still contain ink. So this is dark gray. This is what I would use to fill a dark gray cart. Well, the Pro 10's gray is the same shade or the same strength as the Pro 1's dark gray. So yes, you can buy a Pro 10 ink set and fill up all of your carts, including the dark gray, with the Pro 10's gray. Are you confused yet? Yes, the Pro 10 gray is equal to the Pro 1 dark gray. So then, in order to make up for the lighter gray, that is what the Pro 1 uses, and the light gray, you would have to buy 2 OEM carts. That is your only option at this point. I would not recommend you mess around trying to dilute inks in order to come up with the correct shade, because this is equivalent to gray for the Pro 10, and for the Pro 1 it is called dark gray. This is a lighter version of dark gray, and this is an even lighter version of the gray. Got it? All right, so that would be your only option at this point. You can buy the Pro 10 ink set and you're good to go up to here. And then these two would have to be 2 OEM carts that you would have to buy. That will still knock down your printing costs tremendously. And there are a few companies in the European Union. You can buy also from the UK, from octoinkjet.co.uk, and possibly others. I haven't really searched around to see who else sells them. And if you are really brave, China sells ink sets for the Pro 1. I have not tried them, so I cannot comment on how good they are. All right, thank you once again. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And until the next time, and again, remember, this is just an option that I came up with thanks to a viewer who reminded me of that. And so you can still print at a very low cost with your Pro 1 if you are in Europe, assuming that you want to spend the money for 2 real OEM gray and light gray cards. That is all you would need. All right. Some people have actually used the same gray for all 3 grays, but then they are only doing graphic type work, which is not very color sensitive. So That is another option, but it's something that will probably will not work for fine art photography. You really need those other two grays. All right. Happy printing, everybody. Bye-bye.